Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss the City of Kingston versus the Parish of Kingston. Now, a lot of people, and this is Jamaica we're talking about. Jamaica has 14 parishes. Kingston is one of the parishes and St. Andrew is another parish. However, the capital of Jamaica is the City of Kingston. So a lot of persons always mix it up and just say Kingston. Now, let's go through the differences. The Parish of Kingston consists of downtown, the area of downtown Kingston and Port Royal. That's the Parish of Kingston. The City of Kingston includes parts of the Parish of Kingston and parts of the Parish of St. Andrew. So the Parish of Kingston has a population of about 90,000. The City of Kingston has a population of about 1 million people. Alright, so the city proper is bounded by, this is the City of Kingston now, this is the boundary to give you an idea. The city proper is bounded by 6 miles to the west, Stony Hill to the north, Papine to the northeast, and Harbour View to the east. And some of these communities are part of the Parish of St. Andrew. So the City of Kingston includes parts of the Parish of Kingston and includes parts of St. Andrew. Now the Parish of Kingston, the geographical border for the Parish of Kingston encompasses the following communities: Tivoli Gardens, Denham Town, Raytown, Kingston Gardens, National Heroes Park, etc. and portions of Rollington Town. So the Kingston Parish is much smaller. And it is the City of Kingston that is the capital of Jamaica. A lot of persons mix it up, and I'm not sure why. Okay, maybe now the local government bodies of the Parish of Kingston and St. Andrew were amalgamated by the Kingston and St. Andrew Corporation Act of 1923 to form the Kingston and St. Andrew Corporation, KSAC. So Greater Kingston, or the corporate area, refers to those areas under the KSAC. Okay, so maybe that helps to confuse people. It's because the local body that governs Kingston also governs St. Andrew. So basically they are the KSAC, Kingston and St. Andrew Corporation. They are in charge of Kingston and St. Andrew. So basically, some people even think of Kingston and St. Andrew as the same parish. However, they're not. They're two different parishes. The capital of the Parish of St. Andrew is Halfway Tree. Halfway Tree. And so that means Halfway Tree is the capital of the Parish of St. Andrew, but it's also in the City of Kingston. So maybe, it works. People just say Kingston, but we just wanted to point out the difference so that everybody knows. Alright, we are on Mountain View Avenue, heading towards Old Hope Road. So this road is in the Parish of St. Andrew, because the border for the Parish of Kingston is National Heroes Park, which is just below the crossroads area. However, this road, Mountain View Avenue, is in the City of Kingston, because the border for the City of Kingston is Papine, which is further north, if we're heading in this direction. So I'm not sure how many other countries have well, New York does it. You have a state called New York, and then you have a city called New York. Although I think they call one New York State or Upper New York. So I guess it's the same thing with Kingston. You have the Parish of Kingston and then you have the City of Kingston. But most persons in Jamaica just say Kingston. Because if you notice the address, there is the postal code in Jamaica. You have Kingston 8, Kingston 7, Kingston 6. There is no St. Andrew 1, 2, 3. It's just Kingston. So, and Kingston is the largest city. The city of Kingston. It's the largest city in Jamaica, and the Jamaican population is about 3 million, and the city of Kingston has about 1 million people. So a third of the Jamaican population lives in the city of Kingston. It is the capital, and that's where you find all the major activities going on, all the government agencies, the Parliament for Jamaica. It has the second largest international airport in Jamaica. The Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay is actually bigger and busier than this airport in Kingston. But that's because a lot more tourists use that airport than the one in Kingston. Kingston is more of a business area. Alright, we're now at the intersection with Mountain View Avenue, Old Hope Road. If we were to turn left, we take Old Hope Road down to Crossroads. We turn right, we take Old Hope Road up to Ligani and then Papine. So this is Old Hope Road that we're on now. So this road, Old Hope Road, is in the Parish of St. Andrew, but it is in the City of Kingston. On the left is a Toyota dealership. Recently opened a second branch, or a third branch, on Old Hope Road. They have a branch on Spanish Town Road in Kingston. They have another branch in Montego Bay, in Bow, and they have one here. Okay, on the left is Retirement Road. Not Retirement, Retreat Road, sorry. And that takes you into the Ligani area, also known as the Golden Triangle. On the right, although I don't think you can see it with the camera view, that's Harbour View. And as we go across this light, we'll stay on Old Hope Road. Wow, that red car, I don't know, I think the red car ran the light because the motorbike had the green light, and that was just way too close. Okay, coming up on the left now is the police commissioner's office, or office of the police commissioner. That's it on the left. And coming up at this intersection, if we turn right, we go on to Monroe Road, and that takes us up to Beverly Hills. If we go straight, we stay on Old Hope Road. Alright guys.